divide and to lay emphasis on the importance of girls' education, health and nutrition. The girl child is biological, male, female, or spring from birth to 18 years of age.